Alright, got an issue. I need my tractor. Yesterday morning, I believe it was, yeah. Yesterday morning, I walked out there. I said, well, I was getting a tire put on it anyway, so it was down. I just happened to walk by there and look, and there was oil running out from under it. Well, not good. Upon closer inspection, my air cleaner, which is a oil bath air cleaner, as you can see, has a pinhole in it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but right there's a hole. Well, it didn't rust out from the inside because it's full of oil. Rusted out from the outside. Water got up under the paint, didn't notice it. Water stayed under the paint, and voila, I got a little hole. Okay, I can order these things all day long. Already have. Ordered one last night on the way, but need my tractor today. Now, I could A, use it with nothing on it. B, use it with this on it and nothing in it. That ain't going to do any good. No more good than using it with nothing on it. I got an old tractor, old carburetor that I don't want to mess with no more because I rebuilt it one time before and it runs like a champ. Don't want to risk getting any trash in there. So I'm going to make a real quick repair on this. It might not even be worth a video, but here it is. Can I weld it? Probably not. That's really thin. Really thin. Could I braze it? Possibly, but still risk poking a bigger hole in it, and it won't hold oil. So I'm going to basically put a screw through it, a bolt, a little tiny. I got some tiny bolts. I'll put them through it and put my trusty dusty aviation sealant on it. Put a little bit of heat to it, just a little bit. Just kind of cure that aviation sealant just a little bit. And we're going to fill this booger with oil, and I'm going to get to work. Got the surface clean. Got my Permatex Aviation Miracle Working stuff. And I got me a little tiny bolt, little stainless steel bolt too. Ain't that thing so cute? Little tiny 7mm. Well, 7mm head. It's like a 2.5 millimeter bolt, something like that. Anyway, doesn't matter. There it is. We're going to take this to fix this until the new one. Alright, we got the hole drilled out, surface clean, degreased with my nail polish remover I stole from the wife. We're ready to put this in, and it'll work. It'll hold me up until my new one comes in, which will probably be next week or so. Well, I'm going to put this in. I ain't gonna bore you. Voila! There you go. I don't know how well you can see that. Crappy camera and all. There's the inside. Plenty of clearance for the secondary cup. Alright. Put the batting back, put the cup back together, put the batting in, put the oil in. We put it on the tractor. We're gonna get some stuff done here shortly. Voila! Fix it on the fly. That's what you do. But get the good stuff coming ASAP, because this ain't permanent. Alright, it's been sitting there for an hour with used motor oil. I never put new motor oil in these things. I don't understand why you really would want to. Used motor oil does the job just fine. You're not using this for lubrication. You're just using this to capture contaminants. So it's been sitting there, and underneath it hadn't leaked a drop, or dropped the leak, or whichever way you want to say it. She's good. She's going back on the tractor, possibly getting some new lungs. I'll let y'all go. Fixed. Done. We rolling.